Hey guys, and welcome to another quick inform video. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the BT notification app on your phone. So I know this one was deleted from the Play Store, and you guys know I made a video showing you guys how to download or connect your smartwatch with your Android phone. Especially it was the DZ09 smartwatch that you can get from like Amazon, eBay, Wish, all that stuff. So this application you could download before on the Play Store. They took it off. So there are different ways, especially if you're on Android. If you're on iPhone, you won't be able to do this. So, shout out to the Android users. And of course, I'm doing it on the new LG Tribute Dynasty. So I don't have this, it's a new phone. So of course I can't get it from Play Store if you look for it. So I'm gonna show you how to do this. So if you guys don't know what APKs are, you can look it up, but it's basically a different form of downloading apps from a different Play Store or online like I'm doing right here. It's pretty simple. I'll put the links in the description below, but I just Googled it, and this is a pretty good safe website. I've done it before. So we gotta first make your phone ready so you can actually install them. You wanna go to Settings, General, Security, and then you want to click unknown sources. You want to enable that. And that's just because basically you're not downloading it directly from the Play Store. So you're going to have to do this. And you're going to make sure that you have a file manager app, which most phones have one. Now you can download one from the Play Store itself. So let's go ahead and download the APK. And it's basically, so yes, let's give it some storage. So just click OK, and there we go. So download it. Now basically from this website, there's both the apps that I showed you. So as you scroll down, you can see here's the second one in the video. If you watch the video, it shows you that there are two BT notification apps that I download. Here's the second one. As you can see, the pictures are different from the first one I showed you, and yes, this is it. So we're gonna go ahead and click download again, and then just click OK. And then it's downloaded. Now that it's downloaded, guys, also here you can also, it shows you as well how you can install it, but it's pretty simple. You just go to File Manager, then you go to your downloads, and here they are. As you can see, they're both right here. So click the first one, click Next, click Install, and it's installing. And there you go, app installed. And we'll just click done, so we can go to the second one now. This is how easy it is. Go ahead and click install. App installed, done, and now they're installed on your phone. As you can see, they're both right there, guys. And this works with any apps as well. I would recommend it, always download it from the Play Store, but just because these are not available in the Play Store anymore, you're going to have to do it the way that I showed you, going through the APK file, downloading it, and all that stuff. So once we open it, you can see it is the apps that I show you in the video. And they work 100% like they should, So this one's kind of weird, I guess. It wasn't working real well, but this one definitely works. And like I said, just follow the rest of the video where you have to enable accessibility and all that cool stuff, guys. So that's how easy it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Go back to the video where you can actually follow the instructions how to finish setting it up. So thank you.